The best part about this tour is that KTM tours are not just normal tours. These are the tours which are designed to showcase the performance abilities of the adventure motorcycles.
We start and end in Chandigarh. The highest elevation will be Khardungla, which is about 17,500 feet. And as far as safety is concerned, you have three of the finest experts that KTM have organized for all of you.
A 13 days trip across Himalayas starting from Chandigarh, Manali, Sarchu, Leh, Nubra, Pangong, Somoruri, Sarchu, Manali and back to Chandigarh.
फर्स्ट स्टेज जो था चंडीगढ़ टू मनाली था, जो हाईवे स्टेज था.
We went to some of the routes which were unexplored, locations which were not so common by the normal biker, but yes, this is what this entire package of the Great Ladakh Adventure Tour is.
We were looking ahead for water crossings, but we had river crossings to fight through. Couple of us had trouble to handle the motorcycle through the water. Varad and Nelly ensured we handle it well. From Jispa we went to Sarchu. That's where we re-encountered one of our biggest fears for that matter. Most of us had water almost till our knee deep, the water in our shoes and pants and stuff like that. It was brilliant.
Expect something or the other wrong, but you also focus on the route which you want to hold on, and in case if it deviates, okay, no problem, let the bike do its thing. You do not move your eyesight from the line which you want.
Leh we had a free or a rest day so that we could put our skills together, get our body some rest, pack up and then ride in.
The ride has completely changed my perception about motorcycling and about adventure and stuff like that. I don't consider this bike as a daily commuter anymore. I consider this bike as a super machine. The highlights of this trip for me would be the passes. We've gone through so many passes at so many high altitudes. Things that I never even imagined that I would do on a motorcycle, I have done.
सैंड ड्यून्स मैं 3 बार गिरा बट गिव अप नहीं किया, और कुछ थे जो 9 बंदे थे वो उन्होंने लेवल 2 किया और 5 बंदों ने लेवल 3 किया, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा अमेजिंग था.
Usually you don't get to ride in sand, most of the time you ride on a tarmac and wherever there is a good traction that is available. Nelly taught us as to how should be the body position, how should we ride in the sand, and most importantly how you should prepare your mind.
And one of the most memorable things which happened during this trip is traveling to the Siachen, which was like one of the splendid and one of the most memorable moment of my life.
So हम लोग नुब्रा से गए पैंगोंग। हम लोगों को KTM एडवेंचर 390 की कैपेबिलिटीज़ जांचने का मौका मिला।
The most interesting part was the Somori hill climbing. I really came to know about the capability of Adventure 390, and I realized that it is overall genes is coming from right away for the bigger adventure, which is 790. And many riders, they came with the red blood, and while going back, they will carry this orange blood inside them.
You don't have to ride on the normal roads. You can make your own roads, and that is what we wanted our riders to experience. Overall, KTM looks forward to introduce more tours like these, which will definitely help each and every rider coming into this tour experience the performance of the bikes, the adventure motorcycles which we make, and yes, overall become a better biker.